faces, worn out places, worn out faces, bright and early for their daily races, going nowhere, going nowhere. Their tears are filling up their glasses, no expression, no expression. Hide my head, I wanna drown my sorrow. No tomorrow, no tomorrow. And I find it kinda funny, I find it kinda sad. The dreams in which I'm dying are the best I've ever had. I find it hard to tell you, I find it hard to take. When people run in circles, it's a very, very mad world. Mad world.
Good Samaritan, who died trying to help a woman, didn't get the same help from New Yorkers. A shocking video obtained by the Post shows the homeless man lying in a pool of blood for over an hour after being stabbed when he came to the aid of a woman who was being robbed. The stunning footage shows people strolling by 31-year-old Hugo Alfredo Teo Yax early last Sunday morning, where he was lying dead on 144th Street in Jamaica, Queens. The surveillance video shows multiple people over the course of more than 1 hour walking by the homeless man without calling for help. In one incident, a man comes out of a nearby building and takes a cell phone picture of the dead man before leaving.
Look right through me, look right through